I've got a quick screencast here to show you an example of what a completed student research proposal might look like for the Decades project. Up here we've got our central question: how does history affect me, my family, and or my community? And we're going to have you explain that. I've answered that question right here in this first box. I selected the Boston Marathon bombing because I'm interested in the historical theme of terrorism. I also had a friend running in the marathon that day, and even though they were unharmed, I was still very interested in this terrorist event. Attacks like this one have changed security measures at public events and races that I attend. This is just your words, your opinion, your answer about what you chose and why. The state standards that we're working with here involve causes, and this one is about causes, and effects, both long and short-term effects. And you'll see more of that later on. Here we've got some advice on your support questions. Remember, you want to ask some that are complex and open-ended. You may occasionally have a yes or no, but we want these large questions that will help guide your research. I've got some suggestions for what those questions might look like right here. But then underneath, we've got examples, and I've color-coded them for you. I've got blue questions, which relate to causes of the event, purple, which relate to short-term effects, and red, which relate to long-term effects. And if I scroll down a bit, you can see some of those. For causes, why were the terrorists angry with American society? Who were the terrorists? Where did they grow up? Why did they pick the Boston Marathon as their target? What kind of device did they use? What were they hoping to accomplish? Has the Boston Marathon been attacked before this? These are all questions that deal with the cause. The purple deal with short-term effects, meaning things that happened in that year or the year after as a result of this event. What kind of damage did the bomb do? How many people were killed and injured? Were the terrorists captured? How? Did they change the rules or requirements of the marathon? How? Did the law change as a result? These are all things that happen in the short term. Lastly, I've got some long-term effects questions, and they are in red. Has anything been done so that people remember this event? Have there been movies made or books written to explain what happened? Are major public events organized differently as a result of this attack? Is this event affecting my life today in any way? These are the long-term effects questions, and they are shown in red. And remember, at the bottom, you want to come up with at least 4 sources that you're going to use to answer your own research questions. So pick your event, answer the central question, then write your research questions and find the answers. Good luck.